Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here scroll down, find the option called advanced, and once you find it, tap on it, and right here we have the option called sleep. Select it, and here we have the list of durations. We have 10 seconds, 15, 20, and auto. Select the one you like, for example, let's select 15 seconds, then tap on OK to confirm, tap on the check mark to confirm, and now my sleep is set to 15 seconds, so basically the screen will turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So it should be somewhere around now, yeah. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.